Alan, I haven't seen you since Kuwait. Where you been, you salty dog?
Been all over. Need a rifle.
Still in the killing business, aren't you? What kind of job?
Big war.
It's a good modern take on Eugene Stoner's Love Child. Fully automatic 5.56. Perfect model for typical battle. More firepower, right? This would be perfect. Precision unseen by any other rifle we have here.
Alright, we're gonna go out there, we're gonna have a good time, we're gonna shoot each other, we're gonna light each other up. This means war. This means war right now. Yeah, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, let's get it!
What's up, guys? Welcome to SS Airsoft, Atlanta's best store and arena. If you guys like airsoft stuff, you want to check out all the newest stuff, the most fun stuff, like all our Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, everything. Also, if you guys love this and you want some more, like and subscribe below. Let's get it.